is it okay to abort a baby? It's not. Today we'll talk about information about abortions, where this can be taken action at, ratio of abortions, and the outcome. Let's hop into our first point. How far along can you be to get an abortion in the United States? 24 weeks. And in Texas, 20 weeks, according to PlannedParenthood.org. The earliest a baby can survive is 21 weeks. At 20 weeks, the baby is fully developed and even has body hair. At 10 weeks, the body is also developed. How is abortion performed? In the first trimester, you orally take a pill named methotrexate. This medicine is mainly used for killing the cells of cancer, but when used for abortion, it causes the fetus and the placenta to separate from the lining of the uterus, and this is not approved by the FDA. In the third trimester, the medical doctor surgically use tools such as a vacuum-like tool to suction the baby out of the womb, according to AmericanPregnancy.org. Next, we'll talk about the places you can get abortions. Abortion clinics, Planned Parenthood, and even some hospitals. The cost of abortion is, in the first trimester, $450 to $500. And in the second trimester, $600 to $850, according to JanesDueProcess.org. Planned Parenthood gets their funding from many positions, but 34% is the government, which is your taxes. So therefore, you are paying for some part of abortions. Lastly, let's wrap this up. 638,000 abortions happen in a year, so approximately 1,700 happen a day. Many of you would say, well, what about the people who get raped? The percentage of that is very low, and that is 0.5%, according to WashingtonPost.com. The ratio of births to abortions is per 1,000 babies born, 12 are aborted. As an outcome, thousands of babies can be adopted to women that cannot have children, or even families that want to adopt babies. People that abort babies are taking the chance of that human's life away from them because they are simply being selfish. One day, that child could grow up and be the next president, or even the person that saves another person's life. This would also benefit in religious reasons, because you are biblically killing a baby, not a fetus. As a benefit, this changes families' lives for the better. As a conclusion, we talked about the information about abortions, ratios of abortions, where this action can be taken at, and the outcome. So as a result, the next time you think about abortions, you can realize how many lives can actually be saved.